I'm here with my Dash Mini Grill, my Dash Mini Griddle, and some sliced eggplant. And I'm going to make some grilled eggplant for lunch. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. And I'm curious to see how it comes out. Here is my grill, and here is my griddle, and these have been plugged in. So I'm actually just going to take my eggplant, and let's use the larger pieces. I'm just going to put one here. Look how perfectly the eggplant fits in these Dash Minis. And here's the other one. And I'm going to shut these, and I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes, and let's come back in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 4.5 minutes, so let's take a look at what's going on here. Here's the eggplant in the grill, and here's the eggplant in the griddle. I like them more cooked than this, so I'm actually going to flip them over. Look at those nice grill marks. And then this is the griddle. Let's cook them for another 5 minutes. Okay, another 5 minutes is up. Let's see what's going on here. They look good. They're nice and soft. Yeah, they're much softer now. So these look like they're done. Oops. That looks really good. The grill marks look really, really nice as far as a difference in how they've cooked. I don't know if there's much of a difference. It looks like maybe the one on the grill cooked a little bit better. I'm just gonna put two more pieces in and cook these also. I'll be back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's check these out. These are really soft already. That looks nice. Obviously, you can, obviously, if you wanted to put some olive oil on the eggplant, you could do that. You could spray these with cooking spray. You can add whatever seasonings that you'd like to these. I'm just making these plain right now. So I'm gonna cook those probably another 5 minutes. Okay, let's check out the eggplant. Remember, always be careful when opening these. You don't want to burn your arm with the steam that comes off of them. And yeah, these look like they're done. They're really nice and soft. They look really good. They are still steaming hot. I really like how they look with the grill marks, but they still look good without the grill marks. I'm happy both ways. So this is my lunch today. I have some homemade pita bread. I have my grilled eggplant. I have some homemade hummus. And then I have some chopped up fresh red bell pepper for a little bit of crunch and some freshness. Some chopped up cucumber would go good with this also. And I'm going to show you how I could eat it in a pita. So here's my pita pocket. And I'll put some hummus, spread some hummus in here. Let me cut this up. Let's put the grilled eggplant in the pita. It's okay if you smash it down a little bit, that's okay. And then we'll put some of the red bell pepper, so it's almost like a Mediterranean taco. That looks so yummy. If you had some tzatziki sauce, you could put that on here. If you had some tahini sauce, you could put that on here. You could add some salt and pepper, some other herbs or spices if you like, but I'm just gonna enjoy it plain like this. The nice thing about making homemade hummus is you could flavor it however you want. And with this hummus, I made it traditionally with some lemon juice and tahini, but then I also added some of the everything but the bagel seasoning, like everything bagel seasoning. So the hummus itself is really flavorful, so I'm gonna enjoy. Another drizzle of olive oil would be nice on this also. Really good. This is the other half of the pita bread that I cut in half to make kind of flatbreads with. So we can assemble the flatbreads also. Let's take some of the hummus Look how fluffy and nice this hummus is. And we'll just put this on the flatbread. And we'll add the grilled eggplant. And then we could add, actually, you know what we should do? I'm sorry, this is a bit messy. Let's put the, let's put the bell peppers under the eggplant. Doesn't this look good? This looks really good. Maybe a drizzle of balsamic vinegar on it. That would be nice also. But yeah, you can just pick this up and eat it. So have you tried to make grilled eggplant in your Dash Mini Griddle or your Dash Mini Grill? And what do you like to add to it when you make it? Another way to eat these is without the bread. We can spread some hummus on. Add some of the red bell pepper. Added a little bit more of my everything but the bagel seasoning because I love it. And I can just cut into this and enjoy it this way. That's really good. It's a nice, healthy lunch. This is the seasoning blend that I get from Trader Joe's. Everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion. Yeah, so this is my lunch. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one, and I hope you have a great day.